Hi, my name is Erik Burton, and we're going to go into the 7 disciplines of marketing, or you want to call it lead generation, that's fine, that are essential to profits and success. Number 1, generate leads consistently. That's what we do here at convertleads.info. We do it consistently every single day. Number 2, always collect an email address. No matter what happens, you need to do that every single time. Collect information, specifically an email address. Number 3, email your new contacts consistently. Email your old contacts consistently, but definitely continue to email consistently. What does that mean? Maybe twice a week is probably an ideal thing for me. It may not be for you. Some people email every day. I don't especially agree with that, but you don't want to abuse your list either, so make sure you email your contacts consistently. Number 4, hold a live event like a live webinar or a live video, or upload content weekly at least. I do it twice a week. I do a live twice a week. I upload content as well. Number 5, expand and grow your media following daily. That basically means pick a social media platform. You don't have to do them all. I do YouTube. I don't like Facebook. I'm not even on Facebook. You can get tremendous amount of leads without having to be on Facebook, but you could be on Twitter. You could be on Parler. Anything that you can think of. But remember too, that email is also a form of social media. So make sure that you expand and grow your media following daily. Number 6, share proof, progress, and results. This is part of the follow-up process, and if you have a good system that you're working with like I do, you want to make sure that that system is sharing proof and progress in its consistency. The autoresponder email, the other information you have in your system is sharing that proof, progress, and results. And finally, number 7, follow up. The 2 follow-up points that most people stop at after the sharing proof and progress and results is adding value and then giving solutions to your new customer base. Okay? Here at convertleads.info, that's exactly what you're going to find out at how to do, is make sure that you learn to follow up by giving value and solutions. My name is Erik Burton. Have a great day, guys and gals.